Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo A3 and let me share with you how to check the email numbers of this device. So let's start with the fastest way with the usage of the secret code. We have to open the dialer and tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both email numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK. And now let me show you another way through the settings. So let's enter them. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find About Device. And now scroll down to enter the status. And as you can see right here, we've got both email numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.